The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Krasny Liman direction with forces up to a battalion tactical group. The enemy attempted to attack the Russian positions in the direction of Chervona Popovka and Novovodinoye of Lugansk People's Republic with 2 reinforced companies. All enemy attacks have been repulsed. More than 80 Ukrainian personnel were neutralized, as well as 6 tanks, 4 armored fighting vehicles and 5 pickup trucks of the armed forces of Ukraine. In the South Donetsk direction, the enemy forces of 2 company tactical units attacked the positions of Russian troops in the direction of Balka-Salonia and heights near Vremovka. The enemy suffered losses of 25 Ukrainian personnel, 2 tanks, 3 infantry combat vehicles and 2 cars before being scattered by artillery fire. In the Nikolaev-Kryvyi Rog direction, the enemy attempted to breach the Russian troops' defenses by sending up to 2 battalion tactical groups in the direction of Pyatikhatki, Sukhanovo, Sablukovka, Bezvodnoye, Ruskinskoye and Pravdino in Kherson region. The Russian troops successfully repulsed all the attacks. The enemy was driven back to their original positions. More than 130 Ukrainian personnel, 2 tanks, 9 armored fighting vehicles and 13 cars were neutralized. Of in total, 325 airplanes and 162 helicopters, 2,308 unmanned aerial vehicles, 383 air defense missile systems, 5,967 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 874 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,516 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 6,709 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.